Close-up shot of a person lying in bed after having sex, looking satisfied and content. After a satisfying session in the bedroom, many people might think that the best course of action is to take it easy and relax for a while. But have you ever considered going to the gym instead? Cut to a shot of the same person getting up from bed and putting on their gym clothes. Believe it or not, hitting the gym after sex can have some surprising benefits. Cut to a shot of the person walking into the gym and starting their workout. First, you'll experience an increase in energy and motivation, thanks to the release of endorphins during both sex and exercise. This can help you power through your workout and push yourself harder than usual. Cut to a shot of the person lifting weights, looking focused and determined. Additionally, sex can increase blood flow and circulation, which can help to warm up your muscles and prepare them for a workout. This can also help to reduce the risk of injury and improve your overall performance. Cut to a shot of the person doing stretches and warm-up exercises. Finally, going to the gym after sex can be a great way to relieve stress and anxiety. Exercise is a proven mood booster, and combining it with the relaxation and intimacy of sex can be a powerful way to combat feelings of anxiety or tension. Cut to a shot of the person finishing their workout and feeling energized and refreshed. Of course, it's important to listen to your body and make sure you're not overexerting yourself. And if you feel too tired or sore after sex, it's perfectly fine to take a break and relax instead. Close-up shot of the person walking out of the gym with a smile on their face. But if you're up for it, consider hitting the gym after your next bedroom session. You might be surprised at how great you'll feel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.